Welcome back. It's a nice dry morning. I'll show you what I'm going to do today. This is Long Beach. Bloody stupid name. Back Beach. I wonder who named these. I'll show you what I'm going to do today. The water was going to run off the roof, but now I've decided to put a guttering up. But first I've got to take this little piece off, and then I'll take all the screws out and run a piece of wood right the way along, if I can find a piece that long. Okay? It's no good, I'm going to have to pop in and see Steve at Bay Tools to get a new blade. This is blunt as a badger's ass. That's where the gutter goes. Is that cool? Right, I'll get a drill. Remove all the screws. So I'll bring the drill in. I'll be back. You wait there. That wasn't too bad, was it? The old fish drill. Eat your heart out, super roofing. Look what I saved. I'm going to show you the timbers now that hopefully I'll put it there in place. I'll treat the timbers first with the stuff the garage gave me. Don't know where they get it from, but it's very cheap. Back to the workshop. Cup of tea. I bought these tyres last week. And I put them on the front of the car. Unfortunately, I couldn't turn left or right properly because they were touching the sides of the tyre. They were too fat. So luckily enough I popped into ATS Tim and Throw Tool Key today and They quickly swapped them over for me. Thanks very much. Thanks a lot, Blair, for helping me out, as I haven't got a jack handle for my jack. It only does jack up the roof, that's all. Now look at the mess Sally's left me. I'll show you in a minute how quickly I can do it, Sal. See how quick that was? Hey, look at that. Oh, jack handle there. Didn't find the broom handles. Right, I'll put you over here. I think you can see what I'm doing. This is the fascia board that's running along the line of where I put the screws, where I took the screws out. I'm just treating one side of this timber so I don't get it all over me while I'm installing it. Coat of wood preservative on the back. The reason I'm painting it one-sided is because when it's installed you can't paint it. Looks as though it's come straight off a tree. Now I'm looking down the end to see how straight it is. Bloody straight. Right. Let's take you around to the back beach and put the damn thing on. If talking did all the work, there'd be no jobs left. Right. Let's attempt this one job. Lovely day. Still not leaking because it's not raining. Gold screws. Sally's choice. Remember that super roofing? I have that awful feeling that I haven't got enough screws for the 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, it looks like a fascia, doesn't it? One, two, three, four. And what happens, the guttering clips go on there and the gutter goes on there, and then I cut this back to suit the guttering, then the water comes along here and out there. Let's go look for some screws. Devon is heaven. Oh, that was my head. You never see anybody. They never come out. They're 95-year-olds in this village. They never come out. The only time they come out is to complain about me. Right, let's get on. Back to the grind cell. She's busy on her computer working. Second piece of wood, okay. I'll place you on the ladders that I can rely on. Place you there for a minute. I'll give this piece of wood a bit of treatment. I've got 8 screws around there. I found 5 screws here, which makes a total of 13, and it's the 13th of January. Yeah, okay. I was going to fall on my head again. That soon came off. Come round with me, friend. Bring me a saw, any saw. Fucking none here, is there? sore. See what I'm doing? See why I can't paint the other side? Stop flashing. That was one job I wasn't looking forward to. Now it's done. Why is my life so awkward? Could have been a millionaire. Home time, I think. Legs don't belong to me. My wallet's empty. She didn't leave me any chocolate. Cup of tea.